It's informative. It's healthy. And it's the news. Welcome to the Health Connection, ensuring access to dental care.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Health Connection. I am Jonathan Welsh, Marketing and Development Director of Care Resource. I'm here today with Johan Corteza, Care Resource's newest dentist. And we have here with us Jacqueline Orlas.
Hello.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
Our office in our little Havana has expanded greatly to include a whole array of dental services. And essentially, we are bringing and changing lives one smile at a time.
It all starts with one of these, and a few more of these, to make an impression that lasts a lifetime. We all know how important a smile can make you feel. That's why at Care Resource, we're changing lives one smile at a time, offering quality dental care in more locations. With a sliding fee scale, you pay only what you can afford. Now there's a reason to smile. Compassionate, competent, and committed care. Your community source for dental care is Care Resource.
So Johan, of all the places to work at in South Florida and around the country, why did you choose Care Resource?
I did a rotation while I still was in Nova doing my studies in the United States. And I have the opportunity to see how organized and how passionate are people working in Care Resource with patients. So I got so impressed and so motivated, so I decided, once I graduate, to become part of the team. So here I am.
Wow. And Jacqueline, what does a typical day look like at Care Resource's dental office?
Pretty much we see about 15 or more patients a day, and we just try to make sure that they're as calm as they can be, because nobody really likes the dentist that much. So we just try to calm them down and also show compassion, commitment to all of our patients, and just make sure that they're smiling on their way out.
Where does a lot of your passion, drive, come from? Like, why, of all the professions to choose, why did you choose to be a dentist?
My father is one of the reasons. Have been my guy and have been, my something I followed my whole life. He's a surgeon. He's a great surgeon, and I was always motivated for dental, for health professions. So I decided to become a dentist. I was exposed. I got so involved when I was still a kid, and I decided because dentistry is an art. It's a health profession. And it's something that in my personal life helped me to grow up as a person and as a profession as well.
Jacqueline, I know services at Care Resources is offered on a sliding fee scale. Tell us more about that.
Okay, so not everyone can afford dental insurance, so we also help patients who don't have dental insurance by providing a sliding scale fee. So you would just bring us your proof of income, and depending on your scale, you get reduced prices of dental procedures.
And if I were to want to make an appointment with Care Resource, how would I go about doing it?
You can go on the careresource.org, or you can call our phone number, and also you would have to come in and be a patient of Care Resource first. So you would come in with your proof of driver's license or state ID, and also proof of income or your insurance to become a member.
What is the phone number?
Phone number is 305-576-1234.
Dr. Corteza, what are some of the services that are provided over the dental part that the Care Resources dental office provides?
Basically, we provide, in almost all our offices in Broward, here in Beach and the one we're opening in Little Havana, all kind of dental procedures. We're providing restorations, root canals, crown and bridges, removal dentures, cleanings, all kind of cleanings. So basically, almost all dental treatments.
Yeah, Care Resources Dental office has expanded into our office in Little Havana, which is, I believe, off 1901 Southwest First Ave.
Mhm.
And it's in the heart of Little Havana, right within Calle Ocho, and we have a whole array of new equipment, new rooms, new services, really just ready for the community to take advantage of, and it's a blessing. Well, I do want to thank you both for joining us today.
Thank you.
Thank you
And
for having us.
we look forward to seeing you more around Care Resource. And thank you for the good work that you do. Thank you.
Thank you.
Great day.
Thank you. Coming up to June 30th, is Care Resource's Coming Out for Health initiative, where if you are a patient who's new, you're eligible for a free STI and HIV test, and if for the transgender community, a behavioral health voucher.
Care Resource wants you to come out for health April 1st to June 30th. New clients who test positive for any STI may receive free services, including a free health voucher for an STI medical and treatment visit, and a free behavioral health visit specific to members of the transgender community. Ask one of our testing counselors to see if you qualify today. Compassionate, confident, and committed care. Your community source for LGBTQ healthcare is Care Resource.
And welcome back to the Health Connection. We're here today with Araya Lester with TransArt, and we're here with Dee Weingarten, who came in for TransArt, who's a TransArt ambassador. Welcome to the Health Connection. Glad you two can both be part of the show.
Thank you for having us.
Araya, tell us more about TransArt and how it has evolved throughout the past couple years.
Well, TransArt had started off being just an idea in my head, basically. I wanted to showcase different layers of the transgender community. And, you know, a lot of the transgender community, when it comes to news and education, is a lot of heavy stuff, you know, HIV and AIDS, lack of access to health care, unemployment, you know, just a litany of depressing things. And I wanted to bring something uplifting to the community, and also act as an educational component in teaching, you know, the general public more layers to the trans person, especially when it comes to artistry.
Dee, I hear that you just flew into Miami to be part of TransArt. How long have you been part of it, and what's your role in it?
This is my third year as an artist, and so I was really excited. The first year I found out about it, it was through a posting on a Facebook group of different artists, and someone said, hey, you should check this out. So I'd had 3 drawings that were published in a review, and I thought, well, this would actually be my first show. So my first show with my art was TransArt the first year. So this is my third year. I'm excited to be back. It's incredible just to kind of display some of the talents, but just meet other artists and just to see everybody else's talents, from photography to jewelry to digital drawings to digital video work. It's really exciting. So it's really growing. Last year was a huge success. This year, 5 different venues, 2 different counties. It's really exciting.
I do want to, it's a blessing that Care Resource has been able to be involved with TransArt, you know, since the very beginning.
Yes.
I remember back when that concept, you know, was formed, and it's great because, you know, Care Resource, we're the medical home for all those most in need, and there's so much amazingness and uniqueness within the transgender community, and Care Resource is just so blessed to be part of that. But I do know that Care Resource's behavioral health department is also involved with TransArt this year, yes?
Yes. Actually, on Thursday, June the 8th, we're going to have Tiffany Wheeler, who is the lead clinical counselor, I believe, at Care Resource. She will be speaking at TransArt at Miami-Dade College Wilson campus. That's Building 6, Room 6100. And is going to talk about behavioral health issues and what Care Resource has brought to the table in order to address those.
What's great about Care Resources Behavioral Health Department is that this quarter, Care Resource, up until June 30th, it's our coming out for health. And we have a special voucher for all those that are in the trans community that if they want to take advantage of behavioral health services, now it's open to them. Because sometimes one just needs, like, you know, to know that Care Resource has your back there. So we're blessed to be part of this initiative, and thank you for allowing us to be part of it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for sponsoring TransArt for, you know, the 3 years that you have. And I do want everyone, if you need behavioral health services, to call Care Resource 305-576-1234, extension 470 in English, in Espanol 471, and they will take care of you fantastically.
Well, Araya, Dee, thank you for being part of us today. And,
Thank you.
know,
Thank you.
You guys have a very blessed Thursday.
You too.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.
We live in a fast-paced and complex world. Sometimes it can be hard to keep up, but you can do something about it. Don't let anxiety or depression slow you down. Our trained and licensed behavioral health professionals can help. You can learn how to grow a strong mind for your strong body and connect with the world around you again. Compassionate, competent, and committed care. Your South Florida behavioral health professionals and your community source for health care is Care Resource. Care Resource is located at 3510 Biscayne Boulevard in Miami, 3801 Biscayne Boulevard in Miami, 1901 Southwest 1st Street in Little Havana, 1701 Meridian Avenue in Miami Beach, and 871 West Oakland Park Boulevard in Fort Lauderdale. Don't forget to like us on Facebook at facebook.com/Care Resource, or follow us on Twitter at Care Resource FL, or subscribe at youtube.com/Care Resource.